No be failure going to see.
You know here say all the people when thief money use and go buy property, government they seize their property. You know here this government is fighting corruption, but it's in a silent way.
Hey.
They don't they make noise. They don't be like people who go news, go they shout say we are fighting corruption because they want you to be seeing the result. You know he say Yahoo don't reduce. You know he say politicians thieving money don't reduce.
Okrikri. My people talk say if you don't open your eyes to certain reality, you go sink inside. Chukodi.
Which one be? Why you they start with you be Peter Doche? Why they start with?
I have to start. See, right now I feel like Ashibakpa for the third time. Chukodi, let me ask you a question. 24/100. Shina pass have been a failure.
24/100.
Yes.
Who mark am?
Now question I ask you.
Which
24/100.
Which school? Now UI.
24. No mention UI. No be UI. And they ask you 24/100. Shina pass have been a failure.
It depends on the school.
Okay, it depends on the school, but make I go ask you this one. For 2020, you score 149. For 2021, you can score 154. Shey they go front, I be they go backward.
So this question where you ask now, okay, let me answer this question now. I know what they try to talk this Transparency International.
Thank you very much.
Corruption ranking.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to answer this question using the legwork formula.
Which one be the leg? Which one be legwork formula?
According to Pokoli, you dance front, you dance back. 149, you the dance go front. 154, you the dance go back. Nkubi, the fight against corruption is not be mouth that they use the fight them. It require power. And this government of President Muhammadu Buhari, you know something they use power. They fight corruption.
But when you mean power, you mean muscle. Muscle when we say they go show muscle with their talk, we don't go see results.
No, that the president now be caught. They catch you, carry you, go court.
No be the executive guard overwhelming power.
I don't want you say make you know the tap thing. Now this thing go cause problem between
my wife take time watch this Ankara. I don't want your hand to stain it. Please.
Well done. Married man.
Thank you.
Bridegroom.
See, make a very clear.
Bridegroom.
Thank you. Make a very
Yawo.
It don't do you. Look at this and it don't do you. Make a very clear to you. Chukudi, if they come and take all the talk, all the open mouth, your big mouth where you take chop fufu and them egusi. You cannot see egusi you like pass. You can't come and take all the talk, this nonsense with the talk. See, if they talk about judiciary, not be the executive arm with the overwhelming power. Who they fund this judiciary, not be the executive. If their judiciary is not being funded, the way they're supposed to fund them. What if not be failure going to see?
You know here say all the people when thief money use and go buy property, government they seize their property. You know here this government is fighting corruption, but it's in a silent way.
Hey.
They make noise. They don't be like people who go news, go they shout say we are fighting corruption because they want you to be seeing the result. You know he say Yahoo don't reduce. You know he say politicians thieving money don't reduce. You know he say corruption.
Let me make it one thing very clear. What we mentioned Yahoo. No God know the work with this government they talk, they do it, they never say they try fight corruption. They mention Yahoo. It's a they target the right people they're supposed to target. Now young boys when they don't give work. When they don't give work, now they hunt about. Work instead they put the system into place. They say people go they get to call and say I want to go to
let me tell you something. Not be because the first say teacher mark your this is a 24/100, you 149, 154. You know me say you know sabi anything. The teacher, if you don't understand the way you take answer the question, find X. If you find the X, not be you find the X. It matter how you don't find the X.
Teacher not give you example. And the other student for that same class, when we say they do their own, they get them right. When we say no, let you will be blockhead. Now you got to get 24/100.
Now me they call blockhead.
Yes.
How you going to call me blockhead?
Even with the cap where if you say if you to cover up your blockhead, your head will be blockhead.
Now me be the president. Now me they fight the corruption.
Because of course.
Now me be Garuba Shey. Now me be Femi Adesina.
You are thinking like some people that are blockheads. It's as simple as that. No, talk. It's suddenly quiet. Even this will be your best self. Fact. Anyway.
Una see what una don't do me. Say person they defend. Nkubi beat me for chest. Rubbish my behavior. Una know the shame. They talk now mouth that they use the fight the corruption. Una mouth that they use the fight them. Anyways.